All right. Good warm-up problem for us for today. Solution? Not a solution. You tell me. Fails the second equation? Okay, well, let's check that out. So we would have negative of 4 plus 2 times negative 5 minus 3 times 7. That's going to be negative 4 minus 10 minus 21. That's going to be negative 14 minus 21 is negative 35. And that is not equal to negative 9. So that's a no. If you started with the first equation, it does work in the first equation. Then you got to go to the second equation. So you get a no. First no, not a solution. All 3 yeses, solution. Okay? All right? So today we're going to continue on with 3x3 systems of equations. Tomorrow we're going to take a summative quiz. And then next week we're going to learn a whole new concept in order to, the week after, learn how to solve equations with that new concept. So we got that. Okay? So today we're going to do elimination. 3x3 systems of equations with elimination. Okay? Now, I'm going to give you a couple of seconds here to write this down. While you're writing down these equations, you should also label the equations with Roman numerals or with numbers in a circle. Okay? But we're going to reference those individual equations as equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3 as we go through this. So I'll give you a couple of seconds to get that written down. So, step 1 in our solving a 3-equation system is we need to pick a variable to eliminate. So our choices are x, y, or z. X, okay? I heard x first, so we're going to eliminate x. What? X2, okay, right? So then, step 2 says, now we need to eliminate that variable twice. Okay? The kicker is it's got to be eliminated twice. We can't just eliminate it once. We have to eliminate it twice. So I would choose here to add equation number 1 to equation number 3. If we do that, then I've got negative 2x plus 4y plus 5z equals 5. And I've got 2x plus 5y minus z equals negative 12. And I add those two equations together, and that's going to give me the x's get eliminated, 9y plus 4z equals negative 7. And I'm going to label that equation number 4. Okay. So I've eliminated once using equations 1 and equations 3. Now the downfall is I can't use equation 1 and equation 3 again because I'll get the same result. So I have to pick a different one. So my choices are I could either multiply something by equation number 1 and something by equation number 2, or equation 2 and equation 3. Those are my choices. Okay? I'm going to choose 1 and 2 just because it already has the negative sign involved in it. So I would do 5 times equation number 1 plus twice equation number 2. if I do 5 times equation number 1, then that's going to be negative 10x plus 20y plus 25z equals 25. Twice equation number 2 is going to be 10x plus 4y minus 6z equals negative 2. Add those two together, I get 24y plus 19z equals 23. With me so far? Okay? What's wrong, Rhonda? Well, they're not necessarily going to be the prettiest things out there. I mean, I know I made it up, but it's not just always going to be like that. Okay? All right? So now what should we do? Oops. Other than label this one equation number 5. We can, so now we got to work equations 4 and 5, and we're going to work that with either substitution, elimination, or wrapping. Okay? So, looking at equations 4 and 5. I'm either going to have to multiply the first equation, equation 4, by 19, and the second equation by 4, but one of them's got to be negative, or first equation by 8, second equation by 3. 8 and 3? Okay? All right. So we're going to go 8 times equation number 4 minus 3 times equation number 5. Actually, let me go. Plus a negative. We'll go negative. Okay? So if I go 8 times equation number 4, then that would be 72y plus 32z equals negative 56. If I do negative 3 times equation number 5, that's going to be negative 72y minus 57z equals negative 69. Add those two together. Y's go away. What's that? Negative 25? Negative 125? Shouldn't be. I get z is 5. Okay? Equation 4 or equation 5? 4. I get y is negative 3. Step 4. Plug those two into one of my original equations. First, second, or third? Second. Okay. (5x) plus 2 times -3 minus 3 times 5 is -1. 5x minus 6 minus 15 equals -1. 5x minus 21 equals -1. Add 21. 5x equals 20. X equals 4. What's up?
Why do we add 1 and 3 at the end? What was the purpose of that?
Because we had to eliminate x. Step number 2 said we had to eliminate that variable twice. So you had said x to eliminate. Right, so we have these two, got us to this one. Then we did these two, 1 and 2, to get us this one. That's why we can't just do it once, we have to do it twice. That's why we put twice. Okay, last step. Triple point form. Okay, so 4, -3, 5. And what do we do with that? And we check it. I can. There it goes. Okay. We check it. So 4 times -2 is -8. 4 times -3 is -12. 5 times 5 is 25. -8 minus 12 is -20. Plus 25 is 5. That checks out in the first equation. 5 times 4 is 20. 2 times -3 is -6. -3 times 5 is -15. 20 minus 6 is 14. Minus 15 is -1. Checks out the second one. 2 times 4 is 8. 5 times -3 is -15. Minus 5 at the end then. 8 minus 15 is -7. Minus 5 is -12. Checks out there. So it checks out in all of them. So that is our ordered triple. Questions, comments, concerns, clarification? Awesome sauce. You solve this equation, or this system, using elimination.